Okay, so we've got a right angle triangle. Let's start by labelling the sides of it according to our ABC. So here's the right angle. So the opposite side will be the hypotenuse, and the hypotenuse is C. And then either of the other two sides can be A or B. So I'm going to call them this. Now, when we're solving a problem, we always start by writing our equation. And because it's a right angle triangle and we're finding a missing side, we use Pythagoras. So we start C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Then we substitute in the information from the diagram into the equation. So instead of C, I'm going to put X. X squared equals, instead of A, I'm going to put 20. 20 squared plus, instead of B, I'll put 21 squared. Then I'm going to solve some bits. So keep the x squared here. We can't figure that out quite yet. Equals 20 squared. I can use my calculator if I need. Is 400. 21 squared. I can use my calculator again. Is 441. So now I'm going to add those two things together. X squared equals 841. Now I've got one more job I need to do before I get the actual length of x. At the moment, it's telling me that x squared is 841. So if I times x by x, I get 841. So I need to square root it to find out what x is. So if I take the square root of this side and also the square root of that side, okay, my square root and my squared kind of cancel each other out. And we're left with x equals the square root of 841. Now I'll use my calculator to figure that out. Okay, and I'll find out that x is equal to 29. There's no units, so I don't need to worry about that. I just underline my work to say that it's finished, and I've calculated the answer to this equation.